on installing the run channel, there is a little piece of this channel that floats down on the bottom, and that's usually where I start with this with this new run channel and go all the way. You will have excess around the perimeter a lot, and just cut it about 3 inches from the end. You'll have a little bit floating on the bottom, but it's not critical. I have no room. On this corner right here with the run channel, what I simply do is slot the back, find the spot where it's going to curve, where it actually angles down, and I slot the back. And it's just a slot, you don't cut it all the way through. And you just put a nice little slit on the back of it so it doesn't buckle when it goes down. On the excess, I usually cut it at this point. Obviously don't cut it this high, that's not where you want the cut to be. We're going to be installing the modified latch back into its original spot, as you can see. Go. We're now going to be installing the regulator with the new rollers already in it. Just remember that the roller that we didn't take out has to go into the slot of the channel that goes onto the inside skin.